Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen staple that can elevate your meals effortlessly. Introducing the best frozen brown rice from 365 by Whole Foods Market. If you're looking for a quick, nutritious, and organic option to add to your meals, you're in for a treat. This 90-second organic brown rice is designed for busy individuals and families who want to enjoy healthy eating without spending hours in the kitchen. It comes in a convenient 9-ounce pack, which is not only easy to store but also perfect for portion control. The ingredients are simple and wholesome: cooked organic whole grain brown rice, organic sunflower seed oil, and a pinch of salt. What I love about this rice is that it's USDA organic certified, meaning you can feel good about what you're putting on your plate. Plus, it's vegan, so it fits perfectly into a variety of dietary lifestyles. Cooking this rice is incredibly easy. You simply pop it in the microwave for just 90 seconds and voila! You've got perfectly cooked brown rice that's fluffy and ready to go. It's an excellent side dish for your favorite proteins, or you can use it as a base for grain bowls, stir-fries, or even salads. Let's take a moment to appreciate how the rice looks and smells after just a minute and a half. The steam releases a nutty aroma that's simply delightful. You can see the grains are perfectly separated, which is essential for a great texture. Now, let's dress it up a bit. I'm adding some sautéed vegetables and a dash of soy sauce to create a quick stir-fry. The versatility of this rice is one of its strongest features. It pairs well with just about anything. And there you have it. A delicious, wholesome meal in just a few minutes. It's not just fast food, it's fast, healthy food that you can feel good about serving to your family. Now for the best part. Let's taste it. The texture is fantastic, and the flavor is subtle yet satisfying. This rice really acts as a canvas for whatever you decide to create. In addition to being quick and easy to prepare, the nutritional benefits of brown rice are impressive. It's a great source of fiber, which can help with digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Plus, it contains essential vitamins and minerals, making it a fantastic addition to any balanced diet. So, if you're looking for an organic, convenient, and nutritious option to add to your meals, 365 by Whole Foods Market's frozen brown rice is definitely worth considering. It's the perfect solution for anyone striving to eat healthier without sacrificing time or flavor. Make sure to check it out at your local store or online. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications on our latest reviews. Happy cooking, everyone!